mega, rare, and I came here to fight. Where y'all at? Where y'all at? I used to wait my turn at the laundromat. Now the queues is virtual, moods is personal. Pray that these dudes is merciful, but this ain't that. From the arcades to the large stages, all my moves so audacious. Kicks is tattoo, coming for top two. I've seen the future. Sorry, it's not you. From counters to combos, live to the live shows. Boy, when the lights get bright, that's when I glow. Life gon' strike, but I parry like Daigo. Got your fight stick, my guy is BYOC. I'm a shorter when I'm zoning, for shorter I'm a rolling. Got you jumping like a shonen when I'm stunting like a showman. CEO to Evo, then on to the next show. Break for good neck code, it's time to explode.
Look at you, champ. Stronger than ever. The world watching your every move. Everything changes, but one thing remains the same. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show 'em!